Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to know who's calling without seeing your Samsung smartphones. So without fun more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Samsung smartphone, so you can see here. So for these tricks, firstly you need to connect your Samsung smartphone either with the Bluetooth headsets or the wired headsets, that is the wired headphones. So for these tricks you need to connect either with the Bluetooth or with the wired headphones or the headsets. So firstly connect respective accessories with your Samsung smartphone. Then after that, what you need to do is, you can see your Samsung phone application, right? Just tap on it, and now you can see here the three dot icons. Just tap on it, and now you can see a settings option. Just tap on it, and now you can see here option answering and ending calls. Just tap on it. On the first list, now you can see here read caller names aloud. Just turn it on. Now you can see here it works only when it is connected with the Bluetooth or the wired headsets. So you need to either connect with the Bluetooth or the wired headphones. Then whenever you get a call, so let me just call it on my own number. So once I get a call, then if you're using a wired headphone or the Bluetooth headsets, then it will read out loudly about the contact name that you have saved on your respective Samsung smartphone. So by using these options, you will be known that who is calling right now at the moment to you. Then by hearing their respective contact name, you can find out who actually is calling to you without looking your Samsung smartphone. So definitely a cool tricks and a useful features that is being included in the most of the latest Samsung smartphones that you should definitely try it out. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.